Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some bomb Amazon summer pieces and then also some Amazon summer pieces that you could use also segueing into fall. I have some serious gems in this haul, so definitely continue watching. Everything will be linked in the description box down below as well as in my Amazon shop. Let's jump into the video. First off, some of these pieces were sent to me and then some of these pieces I purchased myself. I'm gonna start off with the pieces that were sent to me. That way I don't get confused and forget to mention that they were sent to me. The Amazon seller that sent these pieces to me were Me Haul. This video is not sponsored, so if you do shop the ones that were gifted to me or the ones that I purchased myself, with the links down below, I do get a small commission. I always give you guys my 100% honest feedback and you can see the reviews for yourself. So this first piece is my absolute favorite. I'm going to wear this so much, especially in the fall time. It is this stunning cable knit black and white striped sweater. It has some striping on the sleeves and then on the neckline. And I like this V neckline because it doesn't come too far down. I typically hate V-necks because of that. Normally they come too far. It looks perfect on. I got mine in a size medium because I wanted it to be a slightly oversized fit. Typically when I want something oversized, I'll get it in a size large, but I can tell that this already runs pretty big because the medium fit exactly how I wanted it to. It's with like a ton of layered gold necklaces and some leather leggings would just be absolute perfection. You could also wear this during a summer night, like whenever it's chilly out, with like some shorts. The quality of this piece feels absolutely incredible. I was not expecting it to be that good. This is how that sweater looks like on. Look at how adorable this is. Right now I have it tucked into a tennis skirt that I'm going to be talking to you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned for that. And then my favorite Converse ever. These are so comfy. Preppy but sporty way to wear this. I'm literally obsessed. This would also look so cute with a pair of shorts. I'm going to show you guys in a second. This is forkin' adorable. Anything from this haul that you decide to get this sweater. I also love the way it looks layered with all this gold jewelry. This is also so adorable. The sweater paired with a pair of white shorts and then the same Converse. I think this would even look cute with a pair of black shorts. This is definitely like a more summery way of styling, like a chunky knit sweater. If it's like a cooler summer evening, or you just want to be like cozy still and it's not too hot where you live. If I was still going to class, this is what I'd wear to class because the classrooms are always super cold. The next piece that was sent to me that you guys need to run and not walk and get is this basic white cropped white t-shirt. So they have it in white, they have it in black, they have it in beige. I want to go back and get it in every single color because it's such a simple basic tee, but this little detailing on the bottom just like takes it to another level. It looks so cute with a pair of high-waisted jeans or shorts, and it just elevates such a basic item. I also really like this tee because the material feels really good. It's not too thin. It's a nice like thick cotton ribbed material. I know I will wear this a ton this summer. And then this is how that elevated basic white top looks like on. There's obviously a million and one different ways that you could style this top. This is the most obvious way, and it's just paired with a pair of my Abercrombie denim, my white Air Forces, and this little cutout just helps elevate such a basic outfit. But I do feel like this little cutout metal piece makes it more edgy, so I'm going to show you guys a couple more edgy ways of styling this super cute basic. This is how you could dress the top up. It would also even look cute with these like white platform heels that I have. Or a good in-between outfit would be this white top, leather pants, and then the Air Forces if you wanted it kind of dressy but also kind of casual at the same time. But this just helps bring out the edginess of this basic. And I'm going to show you guys a more casual but edgy way of styling this basic top as well. So this is most likely how I would feel most confident wearing this top, because since it does show some skin, I always like having like something over to cover it, whether it's with a flannel or like a really nice blazer. This one I actually just got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I have it paired with the same black shorts and then just with my white Air Forces, and I feel like this is a great in-between outfit. Throw it on with that Amazon bag and this is just the perfect in-between outfit. Very simple, but with like the bag and then the gold accessories, it just will make you look like you are doing the absolute most even when you're not. And the next piece that I selected, stunning blue one shoulder top. It's this really pretty slinky material. It looks and feels so expensive. It does not feel like cheap or thin at all. I love this one shoulder moment, and then this color blue is just like stunning, especially with a tan. And I'm wearing this with leather pants or even a pair of black jeans. I could probably wear this with regular denim too. I'll leave the size that I got linked down below, but I think it runs a little bit small, so maybe consider sizing up in this top. And then since it's a slinky material, it will still cling to your skin and not be too big. And this is how that blue top looks like on. It is absolutely stunning. I love this rich royal blue up against gold jewelry. The contrast of the cool and the warmth of the gold is pretty. And then also the contrast of the cool tone of the blue and like a nice bronzy complexion is absolutely stunning. This is how to wear the top dressed up. You could wear it with the same leather pants. Don't mind all the mess in the background of all the stuff that I've tried on. But I'm also going to show you guys a way that you could dress it down and then a way that you could dress it kind of in between. This is definitely screaming more of a nighttime outfit. So this is most likely how I would wear the top and how it would fit best in my lifestyle. This looks so good with a pair of like medium wash or even light wash denim. And then I just have it paired with my white platform Air Forces and then a cute white bag. This is personally how I'd wear it, and I think it looks so forkin' adorable. Also, these are the 90s high-rise jeans from Abercrombie. They're my absolute favorite and they're the medium wash. But I think that this outfit is absolutely adorable. This piece I got because I had my eye on a piece similar to this in the Nordstrom sale. When I saw this on Amazon, I was like, yes. It's this gorgeous collared long sleeve top. And then it has like that faux inside out look to it. It's giving very much Free People. I got this in a size large because I wanted it to come down long enough to just wear with like faux leather leggings or just like regular leggings and sneakers. I also think that this top would look really cute if you got it true to size as well. What I love most about this top is that the collared part of it, like this part, comes pretty far down on the shoulder, and I love that look. It just makes it look way more expensive and pretty. I'm also always a sucker for anything with like a ribbed detailing. This is a top that I'll be able to style a bunch of ways for the fall time, but I could also get away with it in the summertime because it's a nice like thinner, comfortable material. This is how I would style that long sleeve collared neck top during the summertime. Right now I just kind of have it falling off the shoulder. I love this top so much. Like I said, I got this in a size large because I wanted it to be super oversized. So I just tucked it into one side. I have it paired with my same Express white shorts and then these like Walmart Birkenstocks, which I've been loving lately. This is what I'd wear to the grocery store. But like this wouldn't be my favorite way of styling it. I'm gonna show you guys another option. A cute casual way to style this top with just some light blue denim. I have it paired with my Nike Air Forces. It's like a cute brown bag. And this is the last way you could wear this top if you were wearing it for like a date night. You could basically tuck it underneath your bra to make it cropped. And I have it paired with these faux leather pants and then just these cute little heels that I got from Express. I'm literally obsessed with this top. Who would have thought? It's so simple, but there's literally so many ways to style it. The next thing that was sent to me was this black dress, and this clothing brand, like I promise you, I'm not being paid to talk about this, but like the quality of their products feels so good. A lot of times when I order stuff from Amazon, it's very hit or miss. I don't know if I'm gonna get good quality, but these pieces feel so good. Really pretty puff sleeve black dress. It's a really nice chiffon material. It's a midi dress, so it's not gonna be too long, not too short, or pretty and flowy. There is a dress very similar to this, again, for the Nordstrom anniversary sale, except for this one, a lot more affordable. Now, the only thing I will say with this dress is that it would look a lot more flattering on me if I was bustier because I don't fill out this area, but it does look really cute on me worn this way. So if I wear it backwards, it's like perfect. This is the dress on. Like I said, I have to wear mine backwards because I have no way to fill out this dress at all. It definitely runs a little bit big, so I would recommend sizing down. I do really like almost everything about this dress. It's just this top portion. If this was a little bit tighter, it would be perfect. Those were all the pieces that were sent to me. Now let's get on to the pieces that I picked up. First off, this is the dress that every single person needs this summer. It has this ruching down far enough in the waist where it really cinches you in, but then it's a really thin, breathable material. It doesn't like look or feel cheap, and it's not see-through. They have it in so many color options. It's like the perfect dress to throw on when you get out of the shower and you don't feel like putting on clothes just yet, but you also don't want to like deal with like your robe falling off and all of that. This is the dress for you. It's great for running errands. You could dress it up with some heels. You could dress it down with some like Birkenstocks or some sandals or some sneakers. This is how the dress looks like on. Super casual, so lightweight. Like I said, I like how it cinches in the waist here. Right now I just have it paired with some sandals. I wore it to run errands. This is how it looks with a cute pair of black heels and a black bag. A little bit dressed up. It is just seriously the perfect summer dress. Run, don't walk. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Next piece that you guys need. I am so happy with this purchase. I'm blown away. It's this cute white tennis skirt. This skirt fits so flipping cute. Comfortable and flattering length on me. I'm 5'3", and I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. I think that there's so many ways I could style this. I could style it with this oversized sweater by like tucking in one of the sides. That would look so cute. Could wear it with a t-shirt. I could wear it with a tank top. I'm literally so obsessed with this skirt. I want to get it in even more colors. Very flattering. I got mine in a size small, and I felt like that was the perfect size for me. It allowed for the skirt to come down to a comfortable length. It wasn't like squeezing in my sides at all. Also, the quality of the skirt feels really nice too. It's just like that athletic material. Once you guys see this on, you guys are gonna be blown away and want to get it. I'm telling you, that piece is a must-have, and I think it's only like 20 bucks right now. And then this top I got, and it's this stunning off-the-shoulder tank top. That same material as this one, but this one's from a different seller, but the quality of this one feels just as nice. It is such a stunning top. It looks so cute with a tan. I believe they have this in like orange and green and a ton of colors as well. This just looks so cute with that white skirt. It would look cute with jeans. You could wear this with leather pants. Okay, and then this is how that purple top looks like on. So stunning. I'm obsessed with this material, especially for the summertime. I got mine in a size extra small, and I will say it kind of like pushes down, and I obviously do not have a lot in that area, so that's something to keep in mind. Maybe size up in this top as well. I think it's something about this material. It just like runs a little bit snug. I still like it, and I like the way it fits, but I'm just like trying to be mindful for the girls that are blessed up top. This is how it looks paired with the white tennis skirt. I am obsessed with the skirt so much. It comes down to the perfect length. You guys saw earlier how I was able to style it with like a chunky knit sweater. This skirt can be styled like infinite ways. How the top looks like with a pair of light wash denim. These are my jeans from Princess Polly. They're like that crisscross. I'm obsessed with them. I love how comfortable they are and baggy they are. The contrast of like this super tight, more like girly frilly top with these like baggy, more edgy jeans. I will definitely be wearing this outfit 100%. And the last top that I picked up is this one. The perfect summer tank top. A little bit of ruching on the top and really cute tie front detailing. The lettuce straps. And then it comes cropped, but it's not too cropped. I got mine in a size small, so it meets my like high-waisted shorts or pants exactly where the pants are, so not much of your stomach is showing. Very comfortable. It's a nice like cottony material, super breathable, and just like perfect to throw on with like shorts or jeans. And this is how that purple top looks like on. I have it paired with the same denim. I feel like this outfit is very Gen Z, so I don't think I would wear it, but it is cute. So if you do fall in the Gen Z and you're like in your early 20s, this could be super cute. It just looks like I'm trying too hard to be a Gen Zer. I'm gonna show you guys how I would probably wear this top. So this is how I would style it. Just a pair of like cute white distressed longer shorts, white Air Forces, and call it a day. This is like a don't think about it summer outfit, cute frilly tank top, and you're good to go. You guys, and that wraps it up for my Amazon summer clothing haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing the way that I styled these pieces. Like I mentioned, I'll have everything linked down below. You can also check out my Amazon storefront for all of my favorite Amazon clothing items. Again, all that will be linked down below. I love you guys so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!